Hi everyone, today I will share with you 5 Vietnamese soup recipes. Super tasty and easy that you can make for everyday meal. Have you tried sweet leaf bush and spongout soup cooked with Shiitake mushrooms? They're gonna come together into a really great soup. Rehydrate the dry mushrooms and cut into slices. Season with salt and pepper. Both spongout and sweet leaf bush has really great natural sweetness. Quickly saute the mushrooms, then add water and the green leaves. Also add the spongout, add some stock powder and fish sauce, and you're gonna have a really great and nutritious soup. Besides greens, seaweed also has a lot of vitamin and minerals. Let's cook another soup with this ingredient. Peel and devein the shrimps and then season with some minced shallots, chicken stock, fish sauce, and a little bit of pepper. Fry some salad until fragrant and then saute the shrimps until cooked through. Then add boiling hot water, the seaweed, tofu, and some seasonings like salt and stock powder, and you're gonna have a really nutritious and delicious soup. A very simple soup that everyone can make with minced pork and choy sauce. Season the minced pork with some minced shallots, pepper and fish sauce. Cut the choy sauce into 3-inch length. Now heat some oil in a pan and fry the minced pork until the color changes. Add boiling hot water, salt and stock powder, and the chopped fresh greens. Bring it back to a boil, and you can add a small piece of smashed ginger, which will enhance the flavor of the soup a whole lot. Bring it back to a full boil, and then you can turn off the heat and it's ready to serve. Sweet and sour clam soup is very nutritious with lots of vegetables like tomatoes, green starfruit, and lots of fresh herbs. Firstly, you want to cook the clams with 2 cups of water and bring to a boil until all the clams open. Pick out the meat and discard those that do not open. Next, fry some minced garlic until fragrant and transfer to a bowl. Saute the tomatoes until soft and tender. Add the clam broth and water. Bring it back to a boil and then add the pineapple and the starfruit and tofu cubes. Now season to taste with sugar, chicken stock, and fish sauce. Garnish with the chopped herbs and the fragrant garlic oil. What a great soup! Let's try a sweet and sour soup with mushrooms, Thai style. Remove the roots of the mushrooms and soak in salted water about 15 minutes. For larger mushrooms, you can cut in half. Cut the tofu into cubes. Cut the tomatoes into wedges and then in half. Soak the tamarind in hot water. Now fry some minced garlic till fragrant and add the tomatoes. Saute until it's pretty soft and then add water. Season with salt, chicken stock, and sugar. A few stalks of bruised lemongrass and a few lime leaves to give it an amazing fragrance. Now add the mushrooms and the tamarind and the tofu. Bring it back to a boil. And last but not least, the Enoki mushrooms. What an incredible aroma. You guys gonna love it. I hope you enjoyed the recipes, and I will see you then next time. Bye!